بسم الله.
We learned in this section: insert water source heat pump from HVAC tool palette, set its elevation and position to match the draft drawing, adding supply and return air grills, adjusting elevation and rotation, and resolving duct connection errors. Using the style browser to apply predefined system by selecting ducts, searching for system style in the content library, and applying them. Configure ductwork settings before modeling, including system selections, dimensions, elevation, and routing preferences. Ductwork routing from heat pumps to grills using automated tools, including inserting fittings, adjusting dimensions, and troubleshooting disconnections. Completing the return duct system by connecting water supply heat pumps to main return duct using manual fittings like crosses and tees, while managing sizing conflicts and elevation changes. Validating and correcting duct system properties by ensuring all layout parts, ducts, fittings, and MV parts use the correct routing preference via properties palette or style browser. Resolve the misaligned duct, correct the grill's elevation, and accept regenerated fitting solution.